or ya be winning.
I meet the frustration I say kakra.
Okay.
Because you are kind of make about how a Bill no we were in that room for quite a long time. Nah, he had his moments as well.
Okay.
Bill, yeah, almost started Kumawood kind of like.
No, boy, no.
Yeah. Into he's been there, and then he's been a poster boy before. There's been times and it was all about Bella Samoa, and I kind of like the way I was carrying itself not from that stage now to BB. And one of the finest attributes of Bill, no, just like Mark Brown, no, a more ability to shift or transition from local to English.
Okay.
And so when it comes to English-oriented films, you actually save Bill Asamoah there. Yeah. When it comes to the local ones, he's an expert when it comes to that film. So with me, I carry myself here and sustain the career over the period. It's a frustration, I say. But I'm impressed. I say when you say I say it's kind of unfortunate. Say you do point out way too much, we can say what time we say in town and all that stuff. But your English will be a tree will be a castle deal. I can na
Dominic
Sano. Sape pepe.
Among kind, as I'm
working.
Among kind of
Sape pepe. Yes, into the issue about hate and normal.
Any time.
No. Every environment will be finding yourself beyond. There's some level of love, some level of hate.
As you see, I mean, I'm so.
Abuche. Babemba, come on. Boba.
Oh, Monjeba.
Allah. The attorney said that every environment be a space where you find yourself beyond. Being love, being hate. It's not a problem if there's obi hate obi for the success and that's a rise in the industry. The point is, even if there's a collection or there's an assemblage, there's one person who will lead the front. Oman kaso a leader. One must say, why in a driving conversation? Or in the last couple of years, why in a driving conversation? And why not driving conversation? Why am I for a discussing? Kumawood. And that's not like it. It's indisputable.
It's true.
Empress, there was a time just a few years ago. Okay? Black Stars. Now but there was that Kudus. He became the poster boy, the star boy. I mean, they make him quite a star boy. To the point where I'm not for be quite a young man.
Yeah.
Just one person. It's me, Jordan. YP or one of these guys. Kudus.
YP. Boy, you know, sounded to say Kwesiata.
Yeah.
Kumasi guy, no.
Yeah. Not YP. The other one. That's a big drummer.
Flick. So, in the midst of all these players, see the Jordans, the Ayus, and the kind of sacrifice they made. But Obibenya shine Kakrano, he became the star boy. What I say? It's no be a poster boy within that period. So, and say she said, for a certain period, now the same way by a miracle, Mr. Nyamiche, who is a godfather for Kumawood. He knows the history. He has the knowledge as to what has gone on and what is going on. Into which video, he gave a chronology of Omwa at a particular time. Number the poster boy. See, when you go movie industry, you onkophobia omoye draw. They call them the draw. So when you put them on the poster, they draw attention, they draw audience. America, Sisiana, they've gone through a lot of phases. Sisiana is the most sought after female actress. Your friend is Zendaya, some young lady, black American lady, the most sought after actress. But they've been actresses who go through the process. Sisiana, Zendaya, are the most sought after. Chris Hemsworth. And Sisiana, are one of the most sought after actors. But Amafo could through the process. At a point, it was Leonardo DiCaprio. To the but faces now became at a point was Denzel Washington. It was Danny Glover at a point. It was Cuba Gooding Jr. at a point. It was Will Smith at one point in time. There was a period where Will Smith, every movie be number one. Box office number one. It's if that period because Will Smith is the face of Hollywood, how do you dispute it? Because he was driving the attention, he was driving the conversation. It's if like you see like you can't like it doesn't mean Abdul is not doing something. It doesn't mean Messi is not doing something. But they're all driving the conversation, all driving hype. No, hey, Dr. Like it. It's if Obiaka say way na. I mean, what's sustainer? And sustainer, so it's not as if say people are not working. No, it's a fact that because at the end of the day, Obeya didn't know you can't watch him, and what's the point? Obeya didn't know it's not driving the attention, the conversation. Then what's the point? So that one person who is driving the attention to the point where you know, come back to that Kumawood, friends, that is the person that is getting the credit. It doesn't spoil anything. It's back and forth, no there. And we say here at one point in time, there will be that one person. Let's be frank to ourselves. Was that not point in time where my grandma was an 8th girl in Kumawood? That was that point.
It's true.
And nobody disputed that fact until I called for more branching to some other ventures. No, there was a particular time you could not do without her.
True.
There was that point you could not do without Ejako. They were the draw. And so what's this confusion about? There will be a time a new face will come up. Or be driving that conversation because okay, this is the person now who hold it forth. No, there's it will be beer. Every industry beer, you find one that person. In football, there's that one person who is driving the attention. Are you telling me say in the Messi and the Ronaldo era? No,
so do you think it's a season?
A season now. Some are also lucky. I'll meet me as you can sustain your career for a long stretch, but there will be that point where you may not be the biggest draw. But now we are Juma. You understand? You won't get the biggest draw, but more and effort. So a season now will be a time so on. There will be that one person that will be holding the torch and flying. But that doesn't mean so the rest are not working. Okay. They're actually working. So this back and forth there, and we say here, they shouldn't get to the point where because wait time, pay way as not necessary. You understand? One industry, let's calm things down and then understand the fact say industry practice. There would be one time the one person, as a couple of people are on hoisted the flag. Yeah.
Thank you. MV.